Now, from your Weather Authority, Chief Meteorologist Wayne Hart.
Well, the storms that developed late last night, early this morning, just grazed the southwestern fringe of the tri-state. Chances a little higher tonight that we could see something in our area, but once again, it looks like based on the new data coming in this evening, the best chances will be south and southwest of Evansville. But those clouds certainly held the temperatures down today for the mid to latter part of July. Highs only 80 to 85, but we should see more of that hot July sun tomorrow afternoon, and that will send temperatures a little bit higher than they were today. And as you check out the alerts, the flood watch continues mainly south and southwest of the tri-state, though Saline County in Illinois is under that watch, and that's basically where the heaviest rain is expected. And sure enough, on Live First Warning Doppler, showers and thunderstorms beginning to form along the Ohio River from Cairo over to Paducah, the exact spot you don't want them to form because they're moving into far western Kentucky, the area that had record to historic rainfall last night. The 24-hour record for the state of Kentucky was broken 6 miles southwest of Mayfield, where they picked up 11.28 inches of rain. They had water rescues throughout the day. No fatalities. That's the good news. But the storms forming tonight are moving down into that same area. You can see how close we were to getting in on that heavy rain. But we will see a little bit more tonight. And there's today all that leftover cloud cover. We're not going to complain about that in the middle of summer. Nice break from the heat, though it was very humid, and that will begin to change as the cold front comes through the area tomorrow night. So still a mostly cloudy sky out there in Evansville. The temperature is at 77, but the dew point is close behind, so it's a very humid night. Relative humidity of 90%. Winds or temperatures mid to upper 70s now will just fall a few more degrees into the low 70s by daybreak tomorrow morning. So the firing line tonight is kind of strung out from central Missouri into southwestern Kentucky. And as energy increases overnight, we're going to see these scattered showers and storms develop. Not as serious a situation as last night, when the big concern was obviously the very heavy rain, though there could be some locally heavy amounts with this system, and the threat for a little bit of severe weather. The good news is we do not have a tornado threat tonight. It's just isolated damaging wind and hail, basically south of I-64. You can see on the threats map here, again, tornadoes off the board. Some hail, some wind, but locally heavy rain, that'll be the big concerns. Not a major outbreak, certainly overnight. Now, the threat could increase later tomorrow as the main cold front comes in, especially in our eastern counties. But as you'll see on Future Tracker in a moment, still some uncertainty in terms of how strong that second wave will be. Now, the updated Future Tracker for overnight is keeping more of the storms down to our south, and by 4 a.m., still not too much in the tri-state. There's a cell moving into Union County at 6 a.m. and a bigger cluster going through that same area, far west Kentucky, around 8 a.m. Those slide across our southern counties tomorrow morning, and then we see some sun develop. Temperatures warm into the upper 80s to around 90, and then the cold front comes through in the evening, and that's going to have some more storms with it. You can see them up here to our north at 8 p.m., and there's a line right along the White River at 10 p.m. So that's a secondary severe threat, but our model quickly diminished those storms as they push to the southeast with the cold front. And then finally, come Friday, we can forget about severe weather. We got some clouds moving in, a few spotty showers, but less humidity, and that's going to set us up for some very nice weather on Saturday that should carry us through a good deal of the weekend. So overnight, scattered showers and storms developing. More numerous south and west of Evansville. Isolated severe storm can't be ruled out. Warm lows in the low 70s. Some clearing tomorrow, but some scattered storms in the morning, more to the south, then some more later in the afternoon and evening, and those may be more to the northeast, upper 80s to low 90s. But the severe storm alert, humidity off the board starting Friday, 84. Partly cloudy Saturday, 85. Then we could see some scattered storms late Sunday afternoon and evening. Otherwise, a nice weekend before we get back to typical July weather for the early part of next week.
That sounds good. Thank you, Wayne.